So mga ka-Tiker, nakabili na si Kurit ng laruan. Ayun o. Oh. Siyempre, isali natin sila sir sa kamawa. Ayun o. Shout out. Sabi ngayon mo. 40 days video. Bagong linya, bagong linya. Let's go na mga ka-Tiker. Sige na ka, muna nga. Sige sir, salamat sir. Ayun, thank you kay sir. Ayan, happy new year po. Alright, ayan sila idol, shout out. 40 days video, 40 days, yeah, 40 days. Hello madam, good morning. Ano ka? Oh, let me see you. Ha, kasi yung laruan mo ngayon wala na. Eh, yung salamin ko. Wala na ako, wala ka nang bibiliin. Hi.
You have to buy the dog.
You wanna bring that?
No.
Alright, so pauwi na kami mga take care bomb. So nandito kami sa paligid. Balong kami namin kumaigi. At ayun, very positive. Yes, sinuot na niya, Power Ranger. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Oh, leka na nakang. Alright mga ka-take care, pauwi na. 40 days. Shout out madam. Sir. Bagong linya, bagong linya. Ingat sir, ingat. Alright, let's go. Pauwi na tayo. At ito, yung bag nakaharang sa likod ni Kurit. Pinyayer. Alright. Paharap ko pala yung kwan. Paharap ko yung bag. Para makakapit ka ng maayos. Ayusin lang natin yung bag. Andun sila naning ko, ano? Naning Clarice. Tsaka okay, let's go mga ka-take care. Kapit ka na kong, you hold. No, that's not the highway. That's airport. That's the airport. Shout out kay Kuya Janong. For 40 days video. Shout out kay ma'am tsaka sir. Ayan, napaka-positibo, ang saya. Ang saya mga ka-take care. So, ito pauwi na kami ni Naning Kumayjay. At kakain uli siya pagdating sa bahay. Are you going to eat again? You don't know. You don't know. Do, 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 do. Can you sing? No, 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 no. We're going to pick up Hannah, okay? You hold me na ko, you hold. Makulimlim talaga ang panahon. Sana wag umulan mamayang hapon mga ka-take care. Dahil kapag umulan, nako, may kapote naman kami. What do you call that, nakong? Dump truck. We're going to take picture. Over there. Over there. Alright. Oh, you smile okay? Okay, let's go. Let's go, buddy girl. The Mount Balungaw is very beautiful today. Even though it's like raining, let's go. Oh, you hold. You hold on tight. Where's your glasses? You're holding it? Alright, don't wear it. We're so close at the home. Let's go. What? No, what is that?
You forgot to commit your helmet.
Yeah. Ay.